Hello people, this is Gus GH. This is last video of how to write English cursive fast. We're gonna do V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's start with V. Okay, there are two styles. First one is like that, and second one is this. Let's do W. And also two styles. One is like this, and the other one is like that. All right, let's do X. Yeah, also similar, but you can do like this too. Like, yeah, and also this, and also like this too. Yeah, let's do Y. And also you can do like this too. Let's do Z. Z is kind of weird. Z looks like this, like small letter Z. You know, of course, in the Palmer method. Yeah, and also you can do that too, right? Let's go to small letters V. Let's go to W. VWX. Y. Y. And also you can do this too. Yeah, let's go to Z like I did earlier. Z. All right, we did VWXYZ last time. All right, and it snowed a lot yesterday in Korea. I mean, really a lot. So please be safe and take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.